Are you feeling stuck? If you keep seeing the same stale ideas from your internal workshops or from your agency, it's time for a new approach. To get breakthrough ideas, you need a process that gives you both quality and quantity of ideas. Let me show you how you could use crowdsourcing to get both quality and quantity so that you can get the inspiration you need to solve your problems. So, what is crowdsourcing? Instead of getting your internal teams or an agency to come up with a few solutions, you will invite a crowd to give you solutions. This crowd could be made of employees, customers, people outside your target audience, experts. What they have in common is an interest in helping you solve your challenge. And of course, an ability to think creatively. Important, we do not want to invite the people who have developed the same tunnel vision that you have. Otherwise, the exercise is redundant. Where do we find these people? On existing crowdsourcing platforms, communities, social medias, or we can recruit them specifically for a challenge. How does it work? We turn your innovation, communication, activation challenge into a crowdsourcing brief. We recruit the relevant participants. We then share the brief with them in a secured, confidential, IP-protected environment. The crowd gets paid for each idea, and they compete for bonus prizes to keep them motivated. We guide each participant throughout to get the best output possible. We then analyze the ideas we receive and turn them into very actionable innovation concepts, communication, activation, campaign ideas. The analysis of the ideas depends on each project, but it's designed to be very actionable and to serve as a source of inspiration. So, what can we crowdsource? Here are some examples. Space-saving multiple cleaners in one device for people who live in small houses. Items you could personalize at the dealership when you buy a car. Or campaign ideas to make the benefit of water filtration more tangible. All of these were created by participants in a crowdsourcing project. What makes crowdsourcing such a great source of inspiration is that you can get many ideas from all around the world very quickly and very cost-effectively, just in time when you need it. Thank you for watching and keep your mind wide open.